हाय गाइस, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। तो आई वाज हियर, मैं अभी कुछ स्विमिंग एंजॉय कर रहा था और मैंने देखा कि बहुत सारे बच्चों के मैसेजेस हैं। स्टूडेंट्स आर पर्टिकुलरली आस्किंग मी कि अब सर ये अकबर मुगल एम्पायर ये क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन है, वाई देर आस्किंग मुगल एम्पायर बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। सी लेट मी टेल यू दिस, Akbar wanted to know what is the first language of human being, because in religion, if you talk about Christianity, it is said that Hebrew is the first language of human being. वो कहते हैं कि जो हिब्रू है यानी कि जो ज्यूविश लैंग्वेज है जिसमें सबसे पहली बाइबल मानी जाती है, तो इट इज़ बिलीव दैट द लैंग्वेज जीसस क्राइस्ट यूज्ड टू स्पीक वाज हिब्रू। तो हिब्रू जो है वो फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज है। अच्छा, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं रिलीजियस इश्यूज़ हैं क्रिश्चियंस के, ज्यूज़ के, मुस्लिम्स के। तो अकबर को लगा कि व्हाट इफ़ I take some kids, keep them totally away, and let them develop their own language. So whether they will choose Arabic language, Persian language, or Hebrew. So let's talk about this point that during Akbar's reign, Persian was the court language. So what did he do? He selected some 10 to 15 infants, very early, 7 months, 8 months people, and kids, and hired people to take care of them. The nannies, the women who were taking care of those kids were deaf and mute. So these people were mute, deaf, so that the kids are not exposed to any kind of language. Now, what happened? These kids who were totally kept away from all types of language, when they grew up, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, they were not able to speak not even a single language. In fact, they were not able to speak anything. So this was the experiment done by Akbar, which actually failed. So this experiment done by Akbar, it failed because the kids did not even speak. They didn't even try to speak anything. So this was the first linguistic experiment, language deprivation experiment. This experiment is called language deprivation. If you like this kind of content, subscribe. Fresh batches are starting on 10th July. Hurry up with the latest concept, latest topics, and latest ideas. God bless you all. Take care.